get that?
What was that? Was that your cap? Yes, people, how are we doing? How are we? We're on our way for a camp. We're heading to the Lake District and we're going to do the Haystacks. Bit of an unknown one tonight because neither of us have been there. I'm looking forward to just going and seeing where it takes us and searching for a pitch and stuff. Hello, boyo. What are you saying, lad? Check that fucking drop over there. Should we do it? Whoa. Bottomere, Lake District. Weather is a bit drizzly, a bit grey, but there is blue sky peeking through in places. However, the scenery is unreal. So I don't really care. There he is. There he is. The lad has arrived. I don't know if you can hear, but there's a fucking festival going on over here at the farm. So, fuck knows, but we're gonna get our shit together and head off, so yeah. What was that? Was that your cap? Oh,
what the hell? I'd actually be tempted for a run if we're not taking it out too far away.
yeah. I've not got a towel though, right? got a note for you.
Would yours more be at the level of being able to ask the fucking directions?
Yeah.
Where things are?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, you're into the boxing? We're nearly at the end of this ball like you part now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Is Charis meeting you there?
Charis ain't going.
No.
No, it's just me and my siblings.
She got work or something?
Yeah. Bit steep, that, isn't it? Oh, we're just gonna have a shit, are we? Yeah.
Yeah, grand.
Cheers. Nice one. Successful camp. Weather stayed dry, wasn't too windy. Bit cloudy, but we still got the fucking quality views. Got back to the car about 10:30. I've had a quick wash in the stream, and now I'm on the way to Ambleside to go to this spa, which is a lovely little treat after that camp. I had some new kit that I was testing as well. I had a new down jacket and pants that kept me nice and warm. I had a new down sleeping bag to -5 because my other one was not adequate. So yeah, it was good. Now driving up Honister Pass towards Ambleside, I reckon it's going to be 45 minutes. I've got no signal, so I'm just sort of winging it. And then I've got the spa from 1 till 4. And then get in the room, watch the football. Hopefully successful derby for us, if you're a Red. Should be a good one. And then we've got a nice little dinner tonight and a stay, and then I'll be heading back home tomorrow. Sick.